Hi everyone, this is Rajesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Confidence in English with Raj. Today I want to share certain things which will really help you to understand what is the purpose of creating these videos. In my prior videos, I talked a lot about the tips and tricks and so many other things which will really help you to communicate well in English. But the question remains the same, that what else we can do to develop my communication part. And the very first thing that I wanted to say to all of you, that you need to speak out well. Don't worry at all about the kind of mistake that you are going to do. Even I am doing a lot of mistakes, correct? And there are a lot of people who are helping me to correct. But you have to accept that correction, because the way you want to move forward, you need to be very, very lenient. You need to be very, very adaptive. And that's the reason you have the chance to grow big time. Because if you are not in a position to accept your fault, accept your correction, then obviously there is no chance to move ahead in your life. It is not only about communication part or something else. It is in every area of your life, every walk of your life. Even I do certain mistakes in my couple of videos, but I just let it go. Why? Because I just want to let you guys understand that doesn't matter. Communication doesn't mean that you need to be the perfect one. And I'm talking in English language. This is my second or third language, correct? And what is the purpose of language? Just you want to convey your message. Just you want to communicate what is in your mind, correct? You want to deliver your own content. And that is the purpose of having a different language. If you want to reach on masses, if you want to talk with the international people, then obviously your language should be something that should be common for all kind of people. And that's the reason we prefer to talk in English. But it doesn't mean that you will not be able to speak any incorrect statement. It is just a language, a way to communicate, a way to deliver your contents. So don't worry much about that, whether you are making mistake and you are making correction and someone is commenting you that you are not a very good speaker in terms of language because you are making some grammatical mistake. But you should be well aware that it's okay. You don't need to worry at all. You don't need to take it something like that, oh, something I did blunder. It's just language. Even we do mistake in our native language, but there is no one to correct it. But there are some people who want to outsmart themselves, who want to show that they have better command over English language. Let them be. But let me give you one idea. These people are not having better command of the UK and US people. A small child of US, just 5-year-old, can speak better English than these people. We have got inherited English from Britishers. So don't try to judge a person by the way he is speaking. If he is speaking, if he is delivering his speech, if he is communicating well, if you are able to understand it well, your purpose is solved, his purpose is solved. But again, try to understand that better every day you need to be. And this is the beauty of learning and development. And that's the reason I am always asking you, try to improvise all the time. In my next video, I will share certain more tips, but the purpose of this video was just to give you, or just to make you understand that don't try to put yourself down. It's just another language. Did you ever ask any Britishers or US or UK people that, do you know Hindi? Can you speak Hindi in my accent? There should not be mother tongue influence. We love their way of speaking. Why you are not loving your way of speaking? I always ask people, be the best version of yourself. You don't need to copy someone else. You don't need to imitate someone else. You don't try to be or you don't try to have the kind of accent which US and UK people are having. You must be having your own influence in your own language. because you are trying to own that language, you are trying to think in that language, then obviously it is your own language. Then why you are trying to copy someone else's accent? This is what I wanted to share with all of you. Hope it is making a lot of sense. You must be liking my videos. If you are liking my videos, then obviously say like, click on like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till the time, I'm signing off for today. Good luck.